Take it off your foot. Oh, apparently I'm a trendsetter because everyone steals my clothes. So, came home real quick and changed mine, even though it don't really match. Okay. Here we are, Y Unit, representing with the same shirt on. Got right there, my man right there. My man right there. And Ricky's in the Y Unit, but he's gotta get a shirt.
Reps Y Unit from Virginia.
Y Unit South.
Y Unit South.
We got my man Fizzy. Pass me a fizz pop. A-Rod, Stink Rod, Dummy Doo, Big G. I don't know, I got, and my sunshine over there. Word, Joe. That's how I roll. What's up?
Come on, you know you don't want to do it just once. Just show your eyes once. Well, he's got the tape out.
He always has the tape out. I did 3 nights in a row. I feel like doing it again.
I never saw it, dude. You're making me feel bad. I'm gonna cry.
I know you're gonna cry.
I named my, you know I named my video after you the other night?
Did you really?
Yes.
I couldn't find it.
Because you're a douchebag.
Yo,
Sushi?
sushi?
I know we're supposed to hang in a white shirt.
Bye, Sushi Man!
Make a wish, Vaughn. One good wish. Smile first. Smile. One good wish. Think about this. Smile. No. Not premeditated. Make a feel great. Make a wish. Come on, yeah, he's just gonna blow out the house. Don't wish. Don't wish. I might disappear. Can't wish that. He knows that.
Come on.
Okay,
It's really embarrassing. It's
Alright, fine.
Alright, give me the video camera.
You ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. World famous Christopher Duragno Lazy Walk. Okay? Okay, now you have to do it.
Alright, ready?
Alright,
Everyone sit down, sit down. Fist to the middle
Watch
of the
it,
room.
watch it.
No, I gotta go in the middle.
Just
Do
do it.
it!
Just do it. Do the face, do the face. Vinny watches, Vinny. Vinny watch it.
Where's he going?
Come on!
Hold on, play it.
You gotta come.
I have to compose.
You have to do the face.
He's too far away.
Do the face.
That's it? That's what I was waiting for? Alright, everybody give it a rating. Who's better? Me or him?
Fizz.
Fizz.
Nothing beats the microwave.
Okay, I'm gonna totally edit that out and put my name. Do something stupid, eh? Did you just kiss my hand?
No.
Wait, you zoomed in too. It's
I'm
like
gonna
really
do
good.
something really stupid. You wanna know what it is, guys?
Take your clothes off?
Yeah.
Do it. Ow! Bologna cheesecake. Mickey, Mickey, Moosey, Moose.
I don't even know what the other say.
Hot dog, diggity dog. Why are you doing jumping jacks? What's so special about that? Go ahead, do it.
He's doing his true thing.
Sing hot dog.
Hot dog, diggity dog.
Sing! Oh, what do you think? Just say.
Yay.
Yay! Say.
Yes?
Big
Say what?
loser. She wants to
Oh,
say it.
yeah. Say.
And this is intense stuff right here. She wants to see what
Oh, you want to see? I got you. Hey, everyone.
Hey, she's such a creep. Me and Jess, we can go in the shower. You love yourself.
I do not stick my finger anywhere close to my nostril.
day to me.
She doesn't want to be a YouTube star.
Your nose. You got a big nose there.
She doesn't like it. I have a whole video of her going, no, please, no.
See you later.
Last time I checked, it was fun.
I think you guys better stick to playing golf.
She's real pussy sport.
Oh, that's so cute.
Grab the pretty inside. Maybe I think them. Oh, there you go. This is legit right here. He gets mad ass for this.
Oh, Ed.
It's like computers and fucking financials together. And there you go. Other people's fucking hardship? Nah, that's good, man. That's where the money is. You're better not fucking me. I'll tell you.
How do you think you can take that?
What?
I'm not there.
I just took it out of the air.
I've been taking martial arts since I was 5 till I was 16 years old. Oh, I got shown the picture. I've been doing the kick. You want to see the fucking kick, man?
Thanks, I got it.
What's it under?
Media?
Hey!
Yo, what's
Yo,
up,
Oh.
T-Raz, what are you doing? You look like you have beer belly. Yo, I beat your high score.
Who wants some of this?
The high score is your score.
I gotta be.
Say bye, Chris.
I gotta
Who wants some of this?
text
I got money.
Yo, can I fight you?
I got $100.
I gotta see the video. Let me see the video.